How to clean Lasko fan. First, unplug the fan. Turn the fan off and unplug it from the wall before cleaning. Step 2. Remove the front grille. Remove the screws and the clips holding the front grille, depending on your Lasko model. Step 3. Clean the grille. Wipe the grille with a damp cloth or rinse it if your specific model's instructions allow washing it. Step 4. Remove and clean the blade. If your model allows the blade to be removed, take it off and clean it with a damp cloth or rinse it as directed. Lasko's current wind machine models specifically advertise easy disassembly and washing. Step 5. Clean the motor housing. Use a dry or slightly damp cloth to remove dust from the motor housing. Don't spray or pour water into the motor. Step 6. Let everything dry. Make sure the grill and blade are completely dry before putting them back on. Step 7. Reassemble the fan. Put the blade and grill back into place, tighten the screws or the clips, plug the fan back in and test it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.